You are going to love the 2016 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, power liftgate, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.